Select the cube, and Ctrl+3 to subdivide. Let's add 2 displace modifiers. We need to add new textures from the modifiers. Let's assign 2 random texture types. Let's add one more subsurf modifier. Now we have 2 sets of subsurf modifiers and 2 sets of displace modifiers. I'll apply a bright and shiny green material and animate the mesh to make it look like an alien game character. Let's enter 20 as the end frame. On frame 1, let's hover the mouse pointer over the displace modifier's strength and type I as in India to set a keyframe. Let's go to frame 10, and set a new value for strength for both displace modifiers, and type I to set new keyframes. On frame 20, let's reset the values to 1, and set new keyframes. Let's play the animation. Let's go to frame 10 and adjust the strength value. If we don't press I after adjusting the value, the new value will be lost. This is the end of the tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.